From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Friday, I'm Kaitlyn Potluck here with your Friday evening CNET forecast. If we take a live look at Beaver Stadium, we'll notice there's not a whole lot of pleasant conditions to see. We do have some low clouds and some rain showers that are beginning to pass through our area. We'll see more of the impacts of those rain showers overnight tonight. Currently sitting in the mid-50s at 55 degrees. As the rain showers do move in, we are expecting temperatures to drop off across the entire Commonwealth. If we take a look at the rest of the Commonwealth, we'll notice that that's already beginning to happen in this temperature gradient that we see along the Appalachian Mountains and as well as with our sky condition icons. It is much cloudier and rainier across western and central Pennsylvania, but if we take a look at the eastern part of Pennsylvania, they are still seeing some peaks of sunshine, and that will, as the system moves through the rest of Pennsylvania, dissipate as we head into the overnight hours. A little bit of a look at what this system is doing. We can see it's bringing in a lot of rain and clouds from the west. Ahead of this system, this cold front hasn't just moved in quite yet. A lot of the times we talk about precipitation in terms of where the cold front is. This is all precipitation that's happening ahead of that cold front that will be moving in later on tonight. We can actually see that pretty well if we take a look at the system as a whole. We'll see it spinning generally over the Great Lakes, and that cold front extends right down this precipitation line. And that will bring in a lot of that cooler air that we're expecting over the next couple of hours. If we take a look again at our 12-hour outlook, we will notice that temperatures are going to drop off and then stay fairly consistent as we head into the overnight hours. We're expecting a little bit more rainfall heading into the evening. However, it should dry up. A couple of passing showers are expected overnight, but nothing too crazy in terms of precipitation. A look at our future weather can help us time this out. As that system moves through, you can see a lot of that warm air was pulling up from the south. And from the west, you'll notice the wind kind of shifts to come out of the west. That's our cold front. And that's going to get rid of some of those rain showers, although there will still be some lingering, and it's certainly going to drop off our temperatures, dropping us into the low 40s in some areas across the higher plains. Heading into Saturday and Sunday, rain showers and clouds are going to stick around. However, that is not the case for the rest of the week. I'll get to that in just a moment. A look at our rainfall outlook shows us that we are going to see some of those heavier precipitation totals or higher precipitation totals in our higher ground across portions of the Commonwealth. And if we take a look at our pressure tracker, we'll be able to see exactly when that system is going to move out. So this red blob right here is our low pressure system, and it's going to stick around heading into the weekend. And that's kind of been the case for a lot of weekends in recent weeks. But as we go into the beginning of the work week, that will begin to push out to the Atlantic, and we see this blue area pop up. That's high pressure. Usually associated with high pressure can be some more mild conditions and sunnier skies, which for most is the kind of weather that we're looking for in autumn. And that high pressure is really going to dominate our region heading into the middle of the work week. If we take a look at tonight in State College, we're going to drop down into the high 40s at our low with a couple of passing showers overnight, and those showers could linger into the day tomorrow. With generally overcast skies, and we're only going to get up to about 53 degrees. That cold front is really going to drop our temperatures off as we head into the rest of the weekend and beginning of next week. The forecast a lot of people are looking for is our game day forecast. We are playing Ohio State this weekend in Columbus at their Scarlet Out. I personally think we're going to win. I think it's going to be close, but a lot of Penn Staters are optimistic about this game. We'll start off with generally more mild conditions. Maybe we'll see a little bit of sunshine. We'll get up into the mid-50s. However, as the game does progress, we are expecting some more showers and clouds to move into the region. We have played a couple of rainier games in recent times, so hopefully we are prepared to beat Ohio State. A look at our 7-day forecast shows us pretty much all that I've been talking about. We're going to see some rain showers heading into the weekend. Sunday, we'll start to see a little bit more sunshine. And as we head into the beginning of the work week, we'll notice a lot more sun is going to return, and temperatures are going to begin to climb back up into the mid to high 60s. We'll have more details for you next week. I'm Kaitlyn Potluck. Have a great night.